Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello, a warm welcome. Sage with you today. Thanks for watching Kalkine TV. We've got the ASX buzzing stocks for the day for you. The S&P ASX 200 was up today, gaining 21.20 points or 0.30% to reach 7,179.20 and setting a new 100-day high as of 14th November, 10:26 a.m. That's Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. And the top performing stocks in this index were Fortescue Metals up 7.55% and Champion Iron up 7.12%. Over the last 5 days, the index has gained 3.54% but is down 3.57% for the last year to date. 10 of 11 sectors were higher over the last week, along with the S&P ASX 200 index, although little changed. Consumer staples is today's best performing sector, being up 3.55% for the past 5 days. Travel agency company Flight Centre's Managing Director's Graham "Screw" Turner addressed the AMG today. He said that the company has started the new fiscal year with solid momentum following the positive finish to 2022's financial year after lockdowns became a vestige of the past and governments belatedly allowed borders to reopen, clearing domestic and international travel for takeoff. This momentum has continued in the early months of 2023's financial year, with the demand increasing in both leisure and corporate travel, the revenue margin holding steady year on year and expected to increase as market conditions normalise and as new initiatives gain traction, and cost margin now tracking at 10%, a level that Flight Centre historically aspired to achieve. Good to hear tourism's picking up again. Looking at agribusiness Elders today, they released its sustainability report for the 12-month period ended 30th September 2022. Elders Managing Director and CEO Mark Allison said that the sustainability for Elders means looking after its people, communities and the environment to ensure that the company is here to continue serving clients across rural and regional Australia for the long term, like Elders has for over 180 years. In its climate targets, it's to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. And Elders plans for 100% renewable electricity in all Australian sites by 2025, an ambitious goal. 50% reduction in Scope 1 and 2 emissions intensity by 2030 as well, they added, against a baseline year of 2021, and net zero Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 2050. In 2022, target was achieved through the procurement and retirement of large-scale generation certificates. The company has 500 kilowatt solar farm in development, and the company notes that it achieved 18.8 tonnes of carbon dioxide equivalent per millions of dollars revenue in 2022. Best of luck with those ambitious goals. And the aerial imagery technology and location data company Nearmap provided an update on recent filings lodged in the United States District Court and an update on its year-to-date trading performance in 2023's financial year. On 4th May 2021, EagleView filed a complaint against a US subsidiary of Nearmap, Nearmap US, in the US District Court for the District of Utah, alleging infringement of a number of US patents relating to the following products in the US. Nearmap US has filed an answer to the complaint and counterclaims and has also filed inter partes review petitions with the US Patent and Trademark Office's Patent Trial and Appeal Board to contest the validity of some of the patents asserted by EagleView. On 11th November 2022, EagleView filed a motion with the court seeking to amend its complaint, and Nearmap will file its opposition to the EagleView motion on or before 23rd November 2022. In its 2023 financial year trading update, Nearmap noted the company and its customers continue to navigate the highly volatile global macroeconomic challenges, including the impact of higher inflation and interest rates. And these conditions are presenting challenges to some customers, and Nearmap has become aware of the possible churn or downgrade of 2 customers during the first half of 2023's financial year of potentially approximately $6 million Nearmap expects to add net incremental annual contract value of between $12.8 and $17.4 million during the first half of 2023's financial year. All right, thanks so much for joining us for this edition of the ASX Buzzing Stocks for the day. As you know, there's plenty more ASX announcements going to be released throughout the day on the ASX website directly, or you can watch this again on Kalkine Media's YouTube channel. Another episode's coming your way. Until then, please make sure to keep watching Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. Sage signing off for now.